Welcome to my channel. This is fourth part video projection of solids. So in this video, we're going to discuss about axis of solid inclined to horizontal plane and parallel to vertical plane. Normally, the projection of solids inclined to any one of the plane. So we going to be use change of position method, right? So that is very simple to understand. First, you must draw the simple position, that is top view and front view without any inclination. Then we rotating any one of view, that is any one of the front view or top view you must rotate. Then you will get final front view or final top view. This is called change of position method. And for this, I take the two problems. First one, pentagonal prism of side 25 mm and axis length is 50 mm. So rest on HP and base containing that edges make an angle of 30 degree. So in this problem, the edges make an angle of 30 degree. Okay, the axis not inclined, but instead of the edges make an angle of 30 degree. Okay, and axis is parallel to VP. Draw the projections. So very simple. Right. So first enter the AutoCAD. Select. So first, as it is units, decimal precision 0.00. The insert scale will be millimeter. Okay. Next one, the dimension, pentagonal prism. So how to draw the pentagonal prism? Right. So now I use the isometric view, that is southwest view. So I take length is ortho on. So ortho point on, yeah, just a line, right? So I change this to top view. This is our XY line or reference line. Now, so again I move on to southwest view. Now, so again I take the line. Like, the angle is sorry, space is 25. A little move of the move, select the object, enter base point. So moving the XY line. Now the length is 25 mm. Now I take circle, this point is origin, this point is, again I used a circle, this point is origin. Okay. Then take line, delete the circle. Again circle, this point is origin, circle. Line, circle, this point is origin, this point is radius. Line, now delete the circle. So now you will get the top view, you get the pentagon, right? Now drawing line for axis point. Now this is our axis point. Okay. Now I name it as text. Now A, just double click on this, change the dimension. Next. Bottom, so always we now use numbers. So use 1, copy this, CO, copy, point 2, 3, 5. So just double click on the text, So I name it as 2 by using the text command. So just 3 and 4. This is 5. Right. Now changes to view. Now, so I use the command region or the region. So select the joints and press enter. Now the pentagon make a polygon. Now use the command extrude, and so before extrude, just do one thing. So make a line ortho on, and from this point, what is axis length is 50. Yeah, the axis length is 50. Now look at this axis length. Now select the pentagon, extrude, enter, and up to this point. Okay, you may delete the lines, but this line have to be what? A daughter line for indicating the axis point. Load it. First one, ISO dash. Okay. Select the line and select the ISO. This is axis line. Now I select the text, right? Then copy, and from this point to this point, go to top here. Now it is just move it. Okay, right. Now put in the bracket for easy identification. For is 5. Look at the top view. This point A. This is point B. Top is C. Point D. This is sorry. Point E. And this is point D. So now it looks like this. So A, B, C, D, E are the top numbering, and 1, 2, 3 are the base numbering. So it is not visible, so it's put it in the bracket. Now, so draw the projectors from each end, and before that, just I want to show you so how it is works. Now, just I will copy this one. Okay, so copy everything. I copy this everything again. CO, just move it here. Now it look like 2 because I want to rotate this object. That's why I do it this. So now the axis, the angle 30 degree, the, the edges make an angle of 30 degree. So I select the entire thing, entire thing, and using the command 3D rotate, 3D rotate, a symbol will come, and in this symbol use the green one. So green one. So before that, I must select the base point, right? For example, any one of the base point. Okay. For example, I take CD, right? Any one of the angle making the angle of 3, 4. For example, right? Yeah. Basically AE. Okay. So AE, I want to rotate. So base angle of this point and using the green line for example as so green line. Now ortho mode should be off, and in this point, yeah. So just I rotate about 30 degree this side or that side. So again I use this side, so 30, make an angle of 30 degree. So now it is rotated. See, look at this, rotated. And when you look at this from the top, it look like here, see, right? And one more thing, and visual styles, and third one, that is hidden. Yeah. So only these lines are visible. When you select this, the other lines are not visible. Press F7. Yeah. Only these points are visible. The other lines are not visible. Right. This is the 3D rotating these lines. Front view may be rotated like this. Right. And similarly for the hexagonal prism, is the drawings. So hexagonal prism upside, base is 25, axis 50 mm. Uh, then the axis, now the axis is inclined to 30 degree. So how it makes? So first go to top view here. So use polygon, POL. Just I close it. Polygon, number of sides 6, and any one of the edges. So I make this as inscribed polygon. Now the radius of circle is 25. Yes, right. Top view will be like this. Now, so using the line, this is our center point. That is axis length. So now axis length 50. Go and check front view. Yes, this is top view. Right. So now I would like to draw the projectors. Each end like this. This is axis. Now it is a pyramid, hexagonal pyramid. Okay. So now same thing. So now extrude, extrude, and up to this point. Now select the cone and it convert. Now it is prism. Now I want to convert it to prism. So just arrow and this point. Okay. Now it is converted to prism. So look at from the top. So it look like this, right? Okay. Now the front view will be like this. Okay. Now the axis line selected is converted to dashed lines. Now just I like to copy this side. This one. So one more thing, select both axis point also. Copy, just put this. Now show the front view is look like this. Now I rotating the front view. So the axis is 30-degree inclination. So select the prism, then 3D rotate. So put it into 3D. Place the command 3D rotate, and base point is here. Select the green one, then this point. Now the axis is 30 this side or that side. So now I put 30-degree. Now show the front view. Yeah. Now it is rotated to 30-degree axis. Yeah. Front view. Just I rotate it. Okay. Now look at from the top. Look at from the top. See, this is our final top view. Right. And now visual styles. Third one, double click. See, look at this. The hidden lines are shown here. The lines that are not shown. Select it and the hidden line will not be visible. This is what we are doing in the lab. So thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe to my channel.